What is going on, you guys? It's your boy Buck and welcome back to video number 2 of the SEMA build project, you guys. I'm so stoked and hyped on how this build series is turning out. I've gotten so much positive feedback from all of you guys, and I've been going through and reading all of the comments. Now remember, you guys, in the beginning of the last video I mentioned, and I thought this was really important, make sure you guys comment any suggestions, ideas, or things you want to see done to this build or during this series. Like I said, always reading through the comments and taking your guys' ideas. And in the last video, I talked about the copper color I ordered and I didn't like it. A lot of you guys didn't like it, I noticed, so I finally got the new one. Let me show it to you. This is the new copper color. It is called Translucent Copper 2 Biprismatic. What do you guys think? I personally love this color way more than the first one. It actually looks like copper. Do you think this is the one I should use for the suspension on my truck? Just let me know down below. Okay, everyone, if you look here, there's the transmission and there is the transfer case. It is down on the floor out of the truck. We just installed this index ring that kind of tweaks the way this sits up in there and gives you a better angle for the front driveline, because again, the BDS suspension kit is a practical lift kit and we're not gonna have that Bluetooth drive shaft, not on this truck. So right now, me and my dad, what do you think this thing weighs? Like probably 900 pounds?
Something like that. It's pretty damn heavy.
It's super heavy, so me and him are gonna do our best to get it up in the truck, but I don't know, we might have to bring in the forklift. We'll see. Oh yeah, that's definitely like 900 pounds.
Okay.
Let's see the ass end first. Okay. Hold on.
Yep.
Oh, can I pick the ass up? There you go, just like that. We're in. Money. Let's go. SEMA is all about detail, and when I say detail, having everything shiny and everything's got a pop. So I got my good friend Tyson here today, and he's going to be doing a ton of polishing for me on my truck. I originally had him come to polish my 24x16 forged Fittipaldi wheels because I had them sent raw, and he's like, yeah, I can polish those real easy. Well, I also had my drive shaft sitting on the ground because we had to pull it out of the truck anyways, and he says, hey Bug, do you know I could polish this and make it look brand new? And I says, you can't do that. And he says,
yes I can, watch me.
Check this out. So this is what it looked like before. Yeah, do you guys see any reflection there? Me neither. Now if you come over here, look at that reflection, you guys. It is like a perfect mirror. This is unreal. I did not even think this was possible. This is pure magic. Tyson, oh wait, you got a little something on your face.
Oh, what, right there?
Yeah, oh yeah, you got it. You're good. Okay. Do you want to go ahead and tell everyone how the hell you're even doing this and making this possible?
Okay, so we start with the satin prep wheel, and that's just to get all the grime and stuff off of this.
Yeah, because this is super grimy.
Yeah, and then we go to sanding. I do 220 and then 600 because this is a 400 to 600 grit, so I do this after I 600.
Gotcha.
And then after that I go to my wheels and rouges and whatnot, and that starts to get you this kind of finish after taking your time.
That is an absolute beautiful finish, way better than looking at it like this, you know. And we're building a SEMA truck. You don't want to be staring at this underneath the truck, especially to where we're going to be powder coating all the suspension and the axles. This rear driveline being polished is going to make all those other colors like the copper, the teal, really pop. So I'm stoked to have this being done right now, and then I'm really excited to see how my wheels turn out next. But you guys, just one more time, look at that perfect mirror image, and then that's what he started with. It's not even like, doesn't even look real. All right, everyone. I think it is time that we start a freaking debate down below in the comment section. All the time I hear people arguing that Milwaukee this, Milwaukee that, Snap-on's overpriced garbage, blah, blah, blah. You guys, I'm gonna settle this right now. There is no better gun than Snap-on, no better impact. It's all about the torque, baby. So I'm gonna go out and say it. Some of you may not want to hear this, but Snap-on is better than Milwaukee. But if you guys want to argue it, tell me why Milwaukee's better, and maybe you can convince me to go buy Milwaukee. I will, but until then, until I'm convinced, I'm just gonna go with my Snap-on. You guys see this? This is a genuine Snap-on flathead screwdriver. Only costed me $764. Should have it paid off by next month, but it'll last me forever. That's what it's all about. So update for all of you guys again on the front end suspension. As you can tell, we slapped the big honking coils in. Now everything is just hand tight and snug to give us an idea and test fitting before we strip it all back down and powder coat, which we will be starting in the next video along with finishing the rear end of the truck. But other than that, the front end is pretty much complete. We have the BDS drop bracket installed on both sides of the truck with the upper and lower control arm. Everything fits good and it all looks so sleek. I love the style of these arms. And then over here we have the track bar mount is in along with the track bar. The coils on the other side, and then underneath we got this installed with just, you know, everything's hand tight because we're gonna set the truck down. It's all a test fit till we powder coat everything. I'm stoked. We're finally getting there, you guys, with not even a full month till SEMA. The SEMA crunch is real right now, but we're having fun, you know, good late nights at the shop with the friends, family. That's what it's about. Okay, I'm starting to feel like a hermit crab living under a rock, being under this truck for so many hours during the day. So we're gonna step out, take another break. Now, you guys remember Tyson was doing the polishing on the truck. Here is the rear driveline all complete, and I'm sorry, you guys might want to put on some sunglasses that might be blinding you. So Tyson, what are we working on now?
We're getting the wheels all cleaned up.
We are, well, I'm not, he is, because I don't know how to do it. Getting the wheels all cleaned up, and the wheels are one of the most important things of this build. Now, I had these wheels shipped to me raw because I wasn't sure if I was going to powder coat or polish, so raw would have just gave me a good fresh start for either, and I decided to go with the polishing. And you guys, wait till I show you the before and after. You're honestly not going to believe it. Okay, so again, mentioned how I got the wheels raw because I wasn't sure if I was going to polish or powder coat. This is what they look like. You guys, that's about an 80 grit, I would say, which would have been perfect to throw some nice fresh powder on. But again, we're not doing that at this time. Here we go. There's the before, and here is the after. Let me show you one more time because it's hard to believe, trust me. Before, okay, take a nice hard look. Wow, after, yes, that is possible. If you guys have yourself a Tyson. If you don't have a Tyson, you will never have wheels that look that good, I'm sorry. I cannot get over that shine. This is, when I do my makeup in the morning, I'm just gonna stick my head in the wheel. Now Tyson, how do you get a wheel to look like from this transformed to that? That is a perfect mirror image from a flat, fresh out of the machine wheel to a beautiful SEMA show-worthy polished wheel. How do you do it?
So we start with the 120 sandpaper.
Okay.
Because they did an 80, so we'd go a step higher than them. Go to a 120 to knock all this out. And then we'd go to originally a 220, 320,
okay,
and then a 600.
All right. Where are we at? What process are we at on this guy right here?
So right here, we're just at first cut.
Okay.
Here's sanded, nice and smooth, ready to go. Got
ooh, that
my
feels
reflection.
Nice.
You can see my fingers.
Okay.
And then this is just first cut, just getting started, just using my brown triple I, which is right here.
Isn't this is like soap, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, so you shower with this too? Mm-hmm. So I can see it's really dirty right here.
Yeah, that's
you're pretty dirty.
Mostly makeup.
Okay, it looks like you've gotten a little hungry while doing this and taking a nice bite out of it.
Yeah, that's how that.
We got food over in the fridge. You don't have to eat the soap. But okay, carry on.
So yeah, we start with the brown triple I and our yellow and orange quick cut wheel, and that's gonna be a kind of solid wheel, not really rock solid, but
okay,
it'll level out the scratches. That's all we're going for here is to get the aluminum as level as we can possibly get
Yes,
it.
because obviously you can tell right there, all leveled out like Tyson's saying, to where this is just looking beautiful. And again, that's the first cut. So he's got a million stages he does, but for cuts and rouges, I'm learning this, guys. That's the first one, and then there'll be a second, and then a third, and the third one is just what makes this thing look like that, which is absolutely beautiful. All right, so now I know I have a huge Utah fan base. If you guys are in the state, or if you're a truck driver or coming through the state for shows and you need anything polished, this kid right here is the man. I will never have anyone else touch my wheels except for this kid after watching how much time he spends on it, and he's so picky. Like, he is the most picky person I have ever met, which that's who you want polishing your stuff, because you want them to look perfect. Now, Tyson, where can all these guys, where can they find you? Where can they see your work?
So I'm located down here in West Haven, Utah, and you can literally just get a hold of me on Instagram at Premier Polishing and Detailing.
Okay, and I'll throw that up here on the screen, and it'll also be linked in the description down below.
And I have a place where you can bring your truck or your semi or whatever, or I can come to you.
Yes, he can come to you. He's very convenient. Like, I have literally not even a month till SEMA, and I'm sitting here crapping my pants because my wheels aren't polished. Bam, next thing you know, Tyson, poof, pops up, and he's getting the wheels polished. Dude, I appreciate it. Again, you guys, go check his work out. It's unreal. I cannot make up my mind on what I want to do. The polished wheel altogether looks so good, but then I feel like the copper face would add some nice touch, but then maybe it would be too much copper. I don't know, what do you guys think? Alright everyone, that is going to be a wrap for today's video. Thank you again so much for watching. If you guys have not yet already, please go down and leave a big juicy like if you have enjoyed the video. I don't know how you couldn't. And leave a comment on what you thought, if there's anything you think we should do to the truck, or if we should add the copper to the wheels or leave them polished. Just things like that. I'm always reading through the comments, and I want to know what you guys think and want to see on the truck, because not only is this just my build, I want it to be all of our build, and I want you guys to feel like you're a part of it. So any suggestions, my ears are always open. And other than that, make sure you guys have subscribed to the channel, because there is a lot more videos planned. We're going to do a lot of sandblasting and powder coating in the next video and start dressing this thing up, making it real show worthy. Other than that, I will see all of you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Your boy Bugs out. Peace.